Okay, since I'm going to be out of town, I wanted to go over some of these homework problems with you. So the first thing I want you to take a look at, numbers 27, 29, 31, and 33, is to make sure that you got the correct first angle. So, in other words, on this problem, the answer to inverse cosine of negative radical 3 over 2. Did you get the correct angle by saying 150? On this problem, inverse tangent of radical 3 over 3 should get you 30. Inverse tangent of radical 3 is 60. And inverse sine of negative 1 is 270. Okay, so let's assume you got those values correct. Let's look to see what the other possible angles were. Now notice there's no other angle besides 270 that gives you a sine value of negative 1. But look at here, with the reference angle of 60 degrees, if you put yourself in quadrant 3, you get another angle, 240, that has that same tangent ratio. With a reference angle of 30, if you put yourself in quadrant 3, again, 210 gives you the same tangent value. And 150 and 210 both have the same reference angle of 30 in the quadrants where cosine will be negative, quadrants 2 and 3. All right, now let's see if you did the correct algebra. You should have gotten, let's see, divide by 4, you get 37.5. Divide by 4, 52.5. Add multiples of 90, and you get some more. So make sure that you carefully add 90, add 90, add 90, and make sure that you get 8 solutions. Okay, what's the period here? What's the period of tangent of 3x? Period should be 60. So divide both of these by 3. You get 10 degrees and 70 degrees. Keep adding multiples of 60. There you go. All right, multiply both sides by 2. Should get 120 and 480. Oh, 480 is outside of, they wanted you to go 0 to 360. And if you add 360 to 120, you get 480 again, and you go outside. So that's your only solution here. Let's see. Here the period is, okay, so 360 divided by 2/3 is the same as 360 times 3/2. Tried to show that here, so that's 540. So your period's 540, so that'll take you outside. Oh, they must not have even wanted you to go outside of... I'd have to read the directions again. So let's see. So theta equals, yeah, too big. Too big. Theta is outside of the 0 to 360. All right, hold that thought, and we'll do some more.